Hello, welcome to Unbox channel. We have been using MacBook Air 2017 for work for a few years. Those older models are running out of storage, and the new macOS Big Sur is hard on those older models as well. Finally, Unbox decides to replace this old MacBook Air with new MacBook Air 2020. Today, I'm going to unbox 5 new MacBook Air 2020. Hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's open them up. One thing to mention is that all these MacBook Air are not brand new ones. They are all Apple certified refurbished. In the previous video, I unboxed a Surface Pro, which is a Microsoft certified refurbished tablet. As far as I'm concerned, a refurbished computer or a tablet is really a good choice for people who have a tight budget. So far, the Surface Pro is working very well. Then many people may wonder, is it really okay to get a refurbished MacBook Air? Well, a refurbished MacBook is a device that was previously used, for example, as a display model or a model from a previous year. Then it's completely tested, cleaned, and repaired where needed. So supposedly a refurbished MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro work as good as a brand new one, supposedly. A gold. All these 5 MacBook Air are the same, but the colors. I will list all the tech specifications right here, and you can check them out. We have 3 gold here, 1 silver, and 1 in space gray. It's heavy. Look. Oh. Thanks for watching this quick video of unboxing 5 MacBook Air for our employees. Please subscribe to our channel for a lot more videos. I will see you very soon.